This is the mixer grinder. This is a cabinet. This is the outer part of mixer grinder, and inside this cabinet a universal motor is connected. This is a universal motor. Universal motor has three terminals. Phase supply passes through these terminals and reaches to field winding. From field winding, phase supply then reaches to carbon brush. Neutral supply directly goes to carbon brush. And this is the overload protection. This is a power cable. It has two terminals. One is phase terminal, other is a neutral terminal. Phase supply reaches to speed selector switch through this power cable. Then from speed selector switch it reaches to overload protection, and from overload protection it goes to field winding of universal motor. Neutral supply directly goes to field winding. And this is the speed selector switch, which is used to control the speed of motor or also for on off the motor.
I was looking into darkness for something to hold on. Find you when you were so broken. I felt something was wrong. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love.
This is a coupler which is attached to the shaft of universal motor.
Ooh, I'm in love with you. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you.
And here our mixer grinder is ready to start.
Hello.